government authorities. And further heading to
Chhattisgarh State Power Holding Company is not in existence. It is now merged with Chhattisgarh State Power Transmission Company Limited.
that I'll delete that.
Why have you not done it? Why it is listed before this court, WPC?
No, it's S. It's S. It has been converted to S. Initially, it was filed under C wrongly. That at my request only, it has been converted to S then, since it was S.
But you have not corrected the cost title.
But there is one petition, respondent company, which there states that it is not in existence.
Number 3.
Yes, Lord.
Why did you not do it?
I'll delete it.
Wow, why should I permit you to delete?
Well, because till that time,
Dismiss the petition on this count that you did not do it in time.
it's a formal matter because they are.
Whatever it is, the order was passed in your presence on 5/7/2024.
It was. I heard
More
that
than
it was
25
only for
days.
nomenclature. It has to be changed.
No,
I,
not in existence. It is now merged with the Chhattisgarh State Power Transmission Company. London Council for the respondent submit the relief sought by the petitioner is against their basis and therefore it petition is not formed. Give me permit to correct the nomenclature of the writ petition petition within a period of 3 days.
the nomenclature was there, my lord. Since it was WPC, it has been converted to S.
This
Because the
this
relief
you
was
have to
not.
do it, whatever it is.
The relief is against the Chhattisgarh State Power Holding Company as well as Generation Company, my lord, because they are the running the crews.
Holding company is no more in existence, na? Is it?
It's not in existence.
Then
It has merged with the transmission company. Holding company. Holding company is no more in existence. You have to change that.
what do you want in this writ petition?
Within one day I'll do.
What do you want?
I'll delete that one, that respond number 3.
What is the relief in this case?
Well, the relief which has been, it is the order which has been passed by the State Power Generation Company Limited.
What is the relief? Sum and substance of the relief.
Not some and substances regarding that there are multiple reliefs in this case. Since they are going to close, this is the power generation company who is dealing with this particular schools which are being run by this power generation company. Because there are two companies at some time earlier, since holding company has passed certain orders, for that reason I have deleted that holding company. But presently the order which has been challenged has been passed by the power generation and they are going to close those schools as per their instruction.
They will close it. What is your right? Who are you?
We are the teachers and the employees of these schools, respond number 7 and 8. And since 1990s, my lord, this dispute is being raised. And only the Supreme Court itself interfered in that matter and Supreme Court has protected my rights. Subsequently, they have changed it. I have filed those documents from the initial stage.
You should have filed a contempt in that case. If your rights were protected by Honorable Supreme Court and they have been violated, file contempt.
No, not for that, but to that extent, my lord, that has already been given. But subsequent to that, now they are
the order which protects the right of your petitioner.
That is with respect to the 5th pay scale.
And that's all.
Yes.
After say that the school cannot be closed.
Now 5th pay scale, after that 5th pay scale, my lord, they have not subsequently given the 6th pay scale to the petitioners. Not only that, they are even heading to close those schools. Earlier, it was decided that those schools were handed over to the school education department. But instead of handing over to the school education department, even the state government had proceeded that they may be allowed to take over those schools. They continued to run. They said that we are competent enough to run these schools. And now, after 2016, they have closed down admissions from class 1. And now they are going to completely close down those schools. I have preferred these writ petitions earlier. There are 4 writ petitions which, at their instance, we have withdrawn it. They have said that we will consider your all.
Why do you want to close the school?
Actually, the school is run by a society, and only financial aid is given to the society. We are not running the school actually. The school is being run by the society.
Then?
Society is of the power generation company, and they are the.
Society may be a power generation company, but society has this distinct feature under the Society Registration Act.
My lord, it may be seen from their orders what they have passed the order, my lord, which because of which these schools are being
रिप्लाई फाइल कर दिए सर, लिखिए चंद्र श्रीवास्तव फॉर द पिटिशनर, श्री नायर